David here with Outfitter Satellite. I have an Inmarsat IsatPhone 2 satellite phone here. The IsatPhone 2 is a robust and reliable satellite phone that features long connection times and excellent battery life. The phone itself is designed with extreme conditions in mind. It is IP65 rated for moisture and dust intrusion, it is shock resistant, and it's designed to operate in temperature and humidity extremes. It features an assistance button on the top that can send GPS location data to a number you choose, and can also be programmed to utilize the optional Geo service response. It has a simple, easy-to-use interface with a high visibility display, a ruggedized exterior, and because of the antenna design, it can even receive phone calls when the phone is holstered. If you're comparing satellite phones with, say, an Iridium 9575 Extreme, the IsatPhone 2 has an edge if you intend to use the phone where you have unobstructed line of sight to the equator. This makes the IsatPhone 2 perfect for marine users and fixed-site applications. The limitation of the IsatPhone 2 comes if your use case involves travel closer to the North or South Pole or in mountainous terrain, in which case you'll want to consider other options. The included accessories are all here. If you need additional information about this phone or the service plans available to pair with this device, please call us today.